Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best car wax in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a car wax that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these car waxes, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Quick Wax is a special blend of premium carnauba for achieving a dark, wet look shine with added protection. This simple mist on and wipe off formula will not leave a white residue on plastic or rubber trim and is safe on all glossy paints and clear coats and can even be applied in full sun.
All in one step, create a nice, great shine, give you good correction, true paint correction, formerly known as HD Speed. It's now brand new 3D Speed in a sexy, slender purple bottle. That great scent that you guys are used to, that wonderful correction glaze. So take some time. Go ahead, check out the video, enjoy. So we're gonna take 3D Speed. It's an all-in-one correction glaze. It's gonna have true paint correction, but it also has a little bit of fillers in it because it's a wax. The idea behind it is it does a fast speed correction. It's quick, it's easy, it does a great job. We will go through and we'll do this demonstration and we will show you that it will do a true paint correction as well. Now there might be some light scratches left behind, but it's going to give you that quick finish that you want. The thing that's unique about Speed is the longer you use the abrasives, because it's non-diminishing, the more paint correction you're going to get out of it. So we're going to do 3D Speed, do it on a K56 SDP, a dark purple heavy cutting spider pad, and you'll see the correction that you're going to be able to get out of it and what we'll be able to do in one step. Take 3D Speed. Now the thing that's beautiful and why we did this giant car as an example is HD Speed goes a long way. Does a lot of work for you in a very short amount of time. Now this is all the material we need. Speed will spread nice and even, okay? So obviously you want to make sure that your surface is clean prior to doing any detailing. This has been washed, but we got a little bit of dust that fell down on it. You know, you can take time and you can run over it with a clay pad, any of those scenarios for you. But Speed, the idea is to get a quick paint correction and then apply a wax to it so you got good protection, okay? So with us, we're gonna crank this baby up. Now I'm gonna go nice, slow, even, steady motion. First thing you notice is that great scent. Notice how well it spreads throughout the pad. Again, like I said, you don't need to spread it into the pad prior. You don't have to do, or prime it is what they call it. Now this is with a heavy cutting pad. You're going to see the gloss that they get out of it. Again, great open time, go a long way. And if you want up here, you can see that you got good little correction. And we can take out some quick things. We want to move it over fast. You'll get a waxy finish with it. And you'll bring some gloss to it. And you don't have to worry about a whole lot of mess. Make sure you then turn it off on the pad, turn it off on the pad. Okay, make sure you have a nice clean towel. And one thing you'll notice with this product is you can set it out, go for a long period of time. A lot of people love it because this doesn't get hard to remove. If you ever have difficulty removing this product, what you've done is you've just put way too much material on there. A little bit goes a long way. And you can see how easy it removes, how easy it is to use, and you can see that great gloss that it brings. Man, you can definitely see a huge difference between the side full of scratches here and the side that has absolutely no scratches. I mean, thing looks clear as day, super glassy. I mean, look at the difference between those scratches. It's unbelievable. Now to prove that we have true paint correction, this is not a necessary step because remember you're leaving a wax. But to prove that we have true paint correction, we're going to use Prep All. Prep All is a wax and grease remover that you use prior to paint to strip any waxes or greases or anything that might cause fish eyes. So it's important for this process because Well, just to show you, we don't have anything in there that we have a little bit of filler, but it's going to actually do true paint correction. So we'll go ahead and spray this down. Now you might notice a little bit of fillers that are coming back from it, because again, it's wax, guys. It's supposed to have a little bit of fillers. But you can see, clear as day, that those scratches have gone away.
Advanced ceramic waterless car wash. Fortify Quick Coat by Shine On. Easy to use. Simply spray it on whatever surface you want. Spray it on your microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the cloth back and forth. Buff out the haze. Now you want to dry it off with a clean microfiber cloth. Repeat for the rest of the vehicle. In the formula, it repels water. It repels dust. It is a protectant for your vehicle. The water can't touch the ceramic coating. It beads right up. It falls right off. You're gonna make this look like this. Fortify Quick Coat by Shine On.
Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish is a revolutionary no-buff paint protection that allows you to simply spray and wipe on protection that lasts up to 1 year. This game-changing aerosol formula is an advanced synthetic polymer that creates relentless water-beating protection, increased gloss, and slickness. Spray and wipe your way to shiny, protected paint quicker than you ever thought possible.
Maintaining black paint is a serious task. Some vehicles hide from the elements in garages, while on the opposite side of the spectrum, some vehicles are used to attack those elements in necessity or recreation. Their sole purpose as an expendable piece of equipment for fun, with much less regard for cleanliness in the immediate. Now, whether it's an off-road or adventure vehicle seeing all of nature's elements, a year-round daily driver seeing rain, snow, and salt, or a show car only seeing occasional use, blemishes and contaminants are bound to rear their head, and it's our job to present a solution. In this extreme case, we'll be using an off-road SUV that sees as many trails as it does paved roads, and even more tree branches than it does car wash mitts. Our solution? Turtle Wax's Jet Black series of products, including the Black Box Finish Kit, all designed with proprietary black tint technology exclusively for black paint. We'll start with step 1 in the Black Box Finish Kit, the Black Pre-Wax Cleaner. With your car clean, dry, and out of sunlight, pour the pre-wax cleaner onto one of the provided applicators or a clean microfiber towel, and with back and forth motions, work into the paint section by section. Let it dry to a haze and follow a jet black spray detailer, sprayed onto a clean microfiber towel or directly onto the surface to be wiped. Continue these same steps again in manageable sizes throughout all of the car's panels. Once complete with stage 1, it may be a good time to look for any especially noticeable swirl marks or scratches. Here, we use the Turtle Wax Color Magic Jet Black Polish. Again, pouring onto a foam applicator or clean microfiber towel and working into the paint with back and forth motions, drying to a haze and wiping away with a clean cloth. Once happy with the cleanliness after stage 1, stage 2 involves the Jet Black's Caranuba Wax. Similar to stage 1, apply the black Caranuba wax to a provided applicator or clean microfiber towel and gently work into the paint one manageably sized section at a time. Let the black Caranuba wax dry to a haze and either buff away with a clean microfiber towel or use Jet Black spray detailer for assistance. We cleaned up all final details with the Jet Black Spray Wax, maintaining our work with the best possible final touch. With minor scratches, blemishes, and swirls removed, every black panel now boasts a rich, deep new breath of life, freed from years of contaminants and protected for more to come. Designed specifically for black cars, Turtle Wax's Jet Black series has everything you need to clean, restore, and maintain your black paint.